What is it? What is that, Asha?
Pigeon.
Oh, wow. Wow, man.
It came out. It's like the, no, not the flamingos.
This is like being in Jurassic Park, isn't it?
Yeah, I know that. They roam
Wow, look, babe.
through. They roam through. Roaming through.
That's incredible.
What bird is this?
That's the one, Asha, what's it called again, Asha?
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Oh, the pigeon.
Asha, why is it grey? Asha.
There's a duck.
Asha. Why is it grey? Look at these ones.
No, this is cute.
Take a picture.
Wow, man.
Babe, I think people want to cross.
Okay.
Alexander.
Mira, después tú me lo dices.
Mira los patitos.
Patitos. Patitos.
Asha, what's the English name for them again? Babe, what was it again, babe? The carrot?
Carrots.
Carrot one.
Carrot.
Daddy,
Careful,
record
careful,
those
careful.
ones.
It's getting a bit scared, it's getting
Daddy,
scared.
those ones. Look, those ones. Daddy, those ones.
I know, I just took a video of them. They're little ducks. Are they called ducks? No, iguaza común. Iguaza común. They're not ducks, they're not ducks, Asha.
It doesn't say anything about these.
Se perdieron. So they can just come out whenever they want.
Look, iguaza María.
Hear the noise it makes, hear the noise it makes, Asha.
That's called iguaza María.
What is on there? Oh yeah. Guys, look up here. Look up, Asha.
Oh! Why? I want to.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Oh, but it's Daddy.
Asha, babe, look up here.
Look,
Babe,
there's like
they're,
there's pink.
they're parrots. Are they parrots?
Mommy, yes, look at that giant
Look,
black
everywhere,
one.
look.
Look at that giant black one in the background.
Oh yeah.
In the back. And there's a yellow one.
Babe,
Mommy,
look
you're
up in the
missing
trees.
out.
Babe, look up in the trees.
Look.
This side, this side.
Oh, wow, the red one.
Red one. And look, there's a big. Look how big that
Hey.
Yeah.
How big that one
Are
is
they
at the back.
duck?
I think one of them's I think one of them's a parrot, babe.
Oh, espátula rosada.
Oh no, that's not. What is that?
That one. Look, this one.
Look how long its beak is. Yes.
Espátula
That
rosada.
espátula
rosada.
That is in the tree, and that is there.
No, that, look, we.
It's incredible, man.
Daddy, look how long its beak is.